back on the bandsaw. Where are you, bandsaw? Why are you hiding from the camera? Oh, there we are. You know how much fun it is to line up the shot when you're sitting on that side of the camera and you can't see what the monitor is showing. Fun. Okay. Standard hardware store 2x4. Don't let the name fool you. It's not 2 inches by 4 inches. Hasn't been for 100 damn years. You on 0? No, you're not on 0. That's why. Miter gauge wasn't on 0. Let's try this again. Come on, you. That's much better. Standard 2x4. So you can see, the saw isn't a wimp. If you're working in a shop, working on parts the size range where I'm at, that's a monster. You saw how it went through that 2x4? I have a 7.25 inch diameter. I won't say the S word saw, as it's Chinesium. It bogged out. Did you see that circular saw kerf on that piece of wood? It didn't get all the way through. You saw my bandsaw. That little catch at the start of both of them cuts. Something was catching on the edge of the table. Operator error. Not bad. Huh? I can't wait till I get a bimetal blade for it so I can chop up some 1 inch square 6061 for you. Oh, I'm about to ...